Hi friends, welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in the Achievers series for RBWM. Here we are covering all the important theory, numericals and objective questions. Okay. So without wasting the time, let's start. Okay. Follow the series till the end, everyone, because this series is very important and we cover important numericals, objective questions. Remember, numericals and objective questions are the base of any JIIB or both CIB exam nowadays. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's move on. We'll be covering the objective questions. So first one, bank aims to keep a product more at a dash stage of the PLC product life cycle so as to maximize the business and the profit. What is this? Okay, I'll give you the simple logic of PLC product life cycle. Look at this. This is your basically graph. Okay, and the product life cycle moves like this. Okay, so this is the introduction phase. This is against time, and this is sales. Okay, sales. So this is introduction, intro. Then this is growth. Okay. Then this one over here is maturity. And last one is decline. This part is decline. Okay, I'll write it over here, decline. Okay. So this is the basic PLC product life cycle. Introduction of the product, growth of the product, maturity of the product and decline. Okay. So here, if you note, see the sales over here are less, lower part. The sales is over here. And in growth phase, the sales is going on increasing. And maturity phase, the sales is over here at the peak. And this decline, the sales is going down over here. Now you tell me, if you are the owner of any company, where will you try to keep the your product of the PLC? Will you try to keep it over here? Okay, I'll give you two options only. These four, there are four options: introduction, growth, maturity, decline. I'll give you only two: growth or maturity. Decline, of course, you want. Introduction, of course, you want, right? So now the question comes: growth or maturity? In growth, you see there is something advantage. What is that advantage? Sales is going on growing, and at maturity, it is at the peak. So what will you try? In the comment section, give me the answer: B or C. B or C. Everyone in the comment section, B or C. Yeah, it is B or C. The answer is C. Many of you have typed B, but the answer is C. Why? Okay, I'll ask you a simple question. See this. Let's say this sales is 100 over here. Okay, and this sales is somewhere, let's say this only. This is going on increasing, but this is what, this will be less than 100. So if I am the owner of any company, I'll try to make my sales at what? I'll try to make my sales over here 100 because I want maximum money. So I'll always try to keep my product at this phase. Not here, nowhere. Only at the maturity phase. Right? Next. Which of the following statements regarding the product life cycle is not correct? Not. You want the wrong one now. What are the options? Product life cycle is different for different products. Okay, we'll study one by one. Each product goes through all the stages in the product life cycle, namely introduction, growth, this is growth, maturity and decline. Some products have death immediately after the introduction. In some cases, the maturity stage may be very short. So which one is not correct? You want not correct now. So let's look at one by one. Product life cycle is different for each and every product. Different products, it is different. Obviously, it is different. Products life cycle for nowadays in this present era of startups, The product life cycle is totally different. Products move very fast. Whereas a PLC for your earlier products like FMCG, okay, FMCG, Hindustan Lever products, that is different, that is slow. So PLC is different for each and every product, that is true. So I'll write it here, true. I want false answer, okay. What do I want? False. Each product goes through all the stages in the PLC. So each product goes through all the stages. Is it so? All the stages. Let's see it later. Some products have death immediately after introduction. Means introduction, growth, maturity, decline, death immediately. So introduction, from introduction, it moves directly to decline or death, you can call it. Okay. Introduction to this growth and maturity is not there. Is it so? This happens. Okay. This happens. Many products have gone to immediately death after introduction. Many products have gone. Okay. Means any example? Type in the comment section. What example do you know about that product which was introduced and it went immediately down? What was that product? Any product you remember? Any? Yes. Immediately it went down. Okay. There were, okay. So introduction to death. There were many products. In fact, I'll tell you regarding the wallet system. Wallet system was introduced and it didn't grow at all. You'll say Paytm, but Paytm has grown differently. Paytm grew when it directly connected its account to the merchant's account and immediately the credit was shown. Wallet means the money has to be kept in that wallet for some time and then the money is given to that customer. So that's why this wallet product went immediately down. Some of the companies came other than Paytm also, but they were down. In some cases, maturity stage may be very short. Obviously, maturity stage is short in some of the stages, some products. Okay. Some products move like this. The PLC is like this. It will move like this and immediately down. Here, immediately at a single point. Nowadays, in this present age, in the fast age, now the maturity is very short over here. Okay. Now let's look at the B answer. Each product has to grow. So this is also true and this is also true. Now look at this. This is false. Why? Because all the products have to go through all the stages. It's not compulsory. Some products, whenever they are introduced, they immediately go to the maturity phase. Some products go directly to this decline phase. Okay. So this is false. So the answer is B over here. B. Not true is B. Okay. The core products have longer life cycle period. These products include which of the following? So core products, what are the core products? Longer life cycle, they always keep on growing. Savings, cash credit and credit card. Current account, recurring account, add-on life insurance. Savings, current and term deposit and all of the above. What is the correct answer in this? Core product. Now I want the core product from your side. Which one is a core product? Yeah. Which are the core products? Think over it. Everyone answer in the comment section. Yeah. Core product of the banking system are saving, current and FD. These are the core products. Saving, current and FD. These are the core products of any banking system. Okay. They'll always have a long-term growth or long-term life. Okay. They will never have a short life or decline immediately. I can add one more product to this. I can add two products to this. These are all of deposits. I can add two more products. That is CC and term loan. Okay. So these two products can also be added. You will say, sir, then it was there in A also, but A had a credit card. Credit card is not a core product of the bank. Okay. At least now. Future we don't know. Future it may become the core product. Right now it's not there. Okay. So add-on life. Add-on life is not a core product of the bank. So saving, current, term deposit, CC and term loan. You can add these also in the asset on the asset side. Got it? Which of the following was an augmented product earlier, but it is now become a core product? So augmented means what? What is the, okay, what are the types of products? What are the types of products? Yeah. Who can type in the comment section? What are the types of products? In the comment section, everyone. Yeah. Type. Yes. First is core products. Core product. Second is augmented product, right? Yeah. Core product. Then second is augmented product. After augmented product, then what? Yes, comment section, everyone. Comment section. We have core. In fact, we have two more in between, but we generally don't talk of it. Okay, I'll give you the sequence only. See, the sequence is like this: core, core. Then afterwards, the core product, it becomes generic. There are two more, means one more in between, but we generally focus on core, augmented, and potential. Then expected. Then next one is augmented. And last one is potential. So these are the 5 levels of products. Okay, potential. So these are the 5 levels of the products. So which of the following was an augmented? Augmented means what? Some very surprising or very interesting product. Means, for example, let me see if any other example is there. ATM card, current account, cash credit. Okay. Okay. First you answer, then I'll give you the answer. Savings bank account, ATM card, current account, and cash credit. It was a surprise earlier, but now it has become a generic product. Correct? It is. Comment section. ATM card. Nowadays we don't call it ATM card, it is debit card now, right? ATM card and debit card, there is a difference. ATM card means there was the card introduced earlier when the private banking came from 95 to 2005. I myself sold ATM cards. ATM card was available for free. Debit card was chargeable. So debit card you can do the shopping. In ATM card you can't do the shopping. But nowadays ATM cards are gone. Nobody issues ATM cards now. It's all debit cards. Okay. So this was an augmented product earlier. Means it was a surprise element for the customers 10-20 years back. Oh, debit card. My God. I can purchase this. I can purchase that. I can shop. Now, what is this debit card? People have stopped using the debit card now, right? There is no debit card being used because of this UPI. So this debit card is on the stage of what? If you look and draw this PLC, so if this debit card is over here, decline. People are not using debit cards now, even for purchase, even your ATMs are without the debit cards nowadays, right? Cardless withdrawals are allowed. So that's why it's on the decline stage. But the answer to this question was, it was a augmented product earlier. Oh, surprise element. But now it has become a core product. This. So that is debit card. The products that are developed from formal products by combining two core products and adding the value to the products is called as. Two products are combined. Okay. And then means basically two products are combined. So value is automatically added later. Are called as what? Augmented, derivative, base core products and supplementary products. So what are these known as? Those products are combined from the two products and then something more masala is added to it. Masala you can call it. Okay. So that is known as two core products. Means I'll give you a simple example. Suppose I will give you an FD. FD. So that is a core product. Okay. But if I give you FDOD, so that becomes your augmented, because FD now you can use this as a current account also, means for you daily purposes. So two core products combination. Okay, so that is a basic example of this. Means two core products are added. So that answer for this is what? It is called as augmented product. Augment means what? Combining these two and adding the masala. Okay, so adding value means adding masala. Okay. Type one or two more core products which have been combined. Everyone. Type any two core products which have been combined to form the third one. Any two. I'll give you one more. Savings account nowadays has been combined with the health insurance policies. Health insurance is given free on the savings account. Why? Because of course competition, right? So that is the basic thing. Nowadays one more I'll give you. Home loans. Whenever you buy the home loans, immediately consumer loan is given to you. You get a home loan and immediately the bank gives the consumer loan. Why? Because it's an augmented. They know you'll buy a new house. You're buying a new house, so you'll definitely need new refrigerator, new television, new something, new that thing. So that's why this is a combination of the two core products. Okay. A savings bank account is offered with the internet banking facility, a mobile banking facility, and a group health or life insurance product. It has become a core product, semi-core, augmented, and semi-augmented. Now this is simple for you. You must be able to answer this. Just now I gave you the meaning of the products. So what is that called as? Two or more products combined. So these two, savings account is combined with what? Internet banking. See this, internet banking is a separate product. Remember this, internet banking, mobile banking, it's a separate product. Insurance product, insurance policy, that's a separate product. So now you are combining these with the savings account. So it has automatically become what? Augmented, isn't it? Augmented. Got it, everyone? This has automatically become the augmented product. Next one. One second. Yeah. Which of the following can be defined as a combination deposit? Now this is again the sort of that only. Combination deposit. CASA deposit means augmented sort. A reinvestment FD. A recurring deposit. A recurring deposit cum fixed deposit. What is all this? Combination. Combination deposit. CASA. Combination means current account and saving account. It's a combination. These two accounts are separate. Although we call it CASA, but CA is separate and SA is separate. You can't combine current account and savings account. Okay. Keep it very simple. Current account is for business, savings account is for personal level. Okay. A reinvestment plan FD. It's again a single FD only. It can be reinvested. Means reinvestment plan means what? At the maturity, what should I do? Once the FD matures, what should I do? Should I reinvest or should I take it to my savings account? So that is a simple FD. It's not a combination. Okay. Recurring deposit, a common recurring deposit. Taking this and then using means every month I'll take it, put it some amount and then I'll make a FD of this. Now recurring cum FD. Now what is this? This is a combination. Combination means what? Any two. Again, we go back to that core product level, means augmented product level. Okay, similar to that only. That's why I've taken this question over here. Similar to that. I won't say the same, but similar. Okay. So combination deposit means what? What is the exact definition of combination deposit? Combination deposit is a deposit product that combines features of more than one deposit products. Features of more than one deposit. Then you'll say, what is this? Here it's like this. Recurring cum FD means what? See here. Here I'll go on depositing. Recurring means what? Here I'll go on depositing for let's say 11 months. Simple, I'll keep it. And on maturity, I'll get the full amount. This full amount is transferred to my savings account, right? On maturity, along with the interest. So that is simple recurring. But what is recurring cum FD? Recurring cum FD means on maturity, this amount won't be transferred to my savings account. This amount will be made as a FD for future 1 year, 2 year, whatever that years are. Okay, so this is added. This is combined and added to this recurring deposit. This is known as recurring deposit cum FD. Otherwise, normal recurring, what happens? This maturity comes. This amount is transferred to savings account. But here, it is continued as an FD at whatever rate is applicable at that time. So this is known as a combination deposit, recurring deposit cum FD. Which of the following group of deposits Now you read this. Let me check by the time. Which of the following group of deposits bring the overall cost of the funds down? Cost of the funds down. Very important part in banking nowadays. Cost of funding. Saving and recurring. FDR and current. Current and savings. CASA. Current saving and FD. Who brings the cost of funds down? Very, very, very basic and important question. You at a JAIIB level should know what is meant by cost of funds. Cost of funds means at what cost do I borrow? Here, what is my job? I'm in the bank. So what do I do? I'm in this bank, right? Bank. So what do I do over here? I get the deposit from here. Deposit, or we call it liability, right? Deposit. And I give the loans over here. Loan, right? So if loan is given at, let's say, 9%, deposit is taken at, let's say, 7%. So what should be my aim in life? My aim in life or in the banking? My aim in banking should be, I can't increase these rates. So that, because what happens, the competition will kill me then. If I make this 9 to 10, okay, I should definitely try to make it 9 to 10, but I can't do it. So what is the main job of remaining in my hand? The main job is bringing this down. If I'm able to bring this down from 7% to, let's say, 5%, then what happens? The difference between these two, earlier this is called as NII, 9 minus 7, 2% was my NII, right? NII, net interest income, or spread we call it, spread. NII or spread we call it, spread. So this earlier it was 2%, now 9 minus 5, it is 4%. So I'm earning more. So which will bring it down? This bringing down will happen with comment section. Yes, of course, current account and savings account, because current account I'm giving 0 rate, right? And savings account at lowest at 3.5. So this is your right answer. FD can't be the answer, because FD gives you a higher rate of, gets a higher rate of interest. Recurring is similar to FD. What is the difference between recurring and FD? No difference. Recurring is a step-by-step FD, right? Because you give the same rate of FD for the recurring deposit also, isn't it? Okay, move on. Banks obtain documents and information while opening the deposit account with a view to, means why do we get the documents? That bring your Aadhaar card, bring your PAN card, bring this, bring that. Nowadays it's not there. Nowadays everything is thumb, right? eKYC, everything is. But then also, let's say eKYC. Why do you obtain eKYC? Either you get the documents physical or you get the eKYC. Why do you get this? Check the activities of the customer. Verify the identity of the customer. Check illegal transactions. Check large money transactions. What do you think? What do you think over here? What should be the answer? Yeah? Do you check the activities of the customer? Activities means where does this customer go? What does he do in the full day? Whom does he meet? He or she meets? No, right? You can't check the activities of that customer. Identity, yes, I can say that, because identity, whether you are the same person. Now identity here means I can check the address also. Okay. Illegal transactions. How can I check the illegal transactions? Now it's possible. See this. Nowadays the online transactions are so strong. Social media or the online net is so strong now that I can check somehow or the other, means some part I can check. But practically from your exam point of view, the answer is wrong. Why? Because I can't check the transactions of this customer. If new customer comes to me in the branch, I can check whatever he has done earlier. Okay. Check large money transactions. That is also not possible. That we are talking of opening the account. We are not talking of having the account. New account. Okay. So new account, at the time of new account, you won't be knowing what this customer is, how many transactions this customer will be doing, whatever will be the large currency amounts. Okay. So the answer is verify the identity of the customer. That is the right answer. Okay. Got it, everyone? Which of the following documents are required by the banks to open bank accounts for the purpose of identity and proof of address? So which documents are required by the banks to open bank accounts for the purpose of identity and proof of address. So both, we are talking of both, okay, identity also and proof of address also, we are talking of both. So ration card, voter ID card, Aadhaar card, and all of the above. What do you think? Ration, voter ID, Aadhaar, and all of the above. You think yourself. In the bank, what do you do while opening the account? You think yourself. What do you do while opening the account? It is all of the above. Correct? It is all of the above. We take all the documents. Ration card also. See here, we don't ask for all the documents. Either of these. Ration card is okay. If you don't have a ration card, then do you have the Aadhaar card? If you don't, this Aadhaar card. If you don't have an Aadhaar card, do you have voter ID card? So this is what we check. Every customer nowadays doesn't have a ration card, right? So we can get either of these only as such. So the answer is all of the above.